Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to episode 3, creating something of value to your niche. This is what we're going to call a lead magnet. So this is going to be our third episode in this series of how to get clients online. This is basically what we're doing this entire week. We're doing some promotion work. And this video specifically, this is now where we're starting to really make all of the strategies that we implement a lot more effective. So you'll see the massive difference that you'll have in your marketing, in your strategy, signing up those clients online just because you spent a little time to create something of value or something that your niche finds valuable. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. You don't want to miss this one. So let us just first start off by saying thank you for everybody that has already signed up for our 40K in 4 weeks workshop. We are very excited for you guys to start off next week, to start the workshop with you. We are very, very excited to do this. This is our first one, so this is going to be like touch and go, seeing how much results that we can get in such a short time. So just thank you very much for putting your trust in us that we can take you through this workshop. It's going to be extremely valuable. If you guys want to know more about the workshop, watch until the end. We're going to discuss that a little bit more, but let us jump right into today's video on, creating a lead magnet. So at this point, you already chose your niche, you created your offer and your marketing message, and basically you can use that to just sign up some clients online. You can send that to people, make them interested prospects, get them on the phone and sell them to become more clients or sign them up as a new client. So this strategy that we're going to be talking about today, creating something of value, is going to basically just enhance your entire strategy, because not everybody is, not everybody can make that decision right off the bat. Not everybody can go and say, okay, I saw your website for the first time. Everything just looked so great. You have the testimonials, you have the great marketing message, and the call to action is there to schedule a call, but they're just not ready to make that next step to just say, okay, great, let us reach out to this business to do work with them. And there's a very small, basically, percentage of people that do that. So you don't want to miss out on, let's say, the 90% of the other people that's not ready to make that first decision. Because who do people do business with? They do business with people that they trust, they find credible, they find competent. And it's very difficult to bring that across in their first experience with you or your business. It's very difficult to just install trust in one message. Like, the message must be great and all, but it's not always going to be that effective. So what we want to do is we want to get another opportunity or another few opportunities to still reach out to these people, reach out to these prospects, and build that trust, build that credibility. Show them your competence and your results that you have done for other businesses, that they finally get convinced to take a chance on you, reach out to you, and schedule that strategy session that you can sign them up as a new client. So this is why we do this. The entire idea of a lead magnet is you give them something of value, something that they find valuable. Very, very important. It should not be something that you think is extremely valuable, but nobody else does. They should find this valuable, and they give their contact details in return for the value. A very simple system. You capture the leads, they get the value, everybody is happy, and you get a lot more opportunities to target those people in the future as well. And in the value itself, that's another thing. If it's truly valuable, you're going to build trust and credibility just by giving them something of value. This is just giving value up front, building that trust, building that credibility. It's so important in business that you trust one another when doing business. So this is just a small item. It's totally for free. So it's about building that trust. I can't say that enough. It's very, very important in business to have this. So next question you guys probably have is, okay, great, I'm convinced I should probably use this. This is something I should be thinking about, but how do I go about this? How do I go about creating a lead magnet? How do I do this? What systems should be connected to this and so forth? So we have a very simple system to create a lead magnet. So a lead magnet, we have two different types. The first is just a short PDF giving 5 tips and tricks or 5 secrets or 5 things that they find valuable, 5 things that can truly help them. Or we have on the other end, if you're a little bit more experienced in business, you have some results to show. This is what we call a case study or a case study video. It's like a 10 to 15 minute video where you showcase basically your knowledge, how you have helped people before, showcasing your results, showcasing your proven process, all of those sort of things. But that's a lot more difficult to create than just a short PDF that you can quickly craft out in an afternoon if you have that knowledge. So let's start off with the short PDF. What's the process behind creating something along these lines? Because you don't just want to suck this out of your thumb. So we have a simple process where we basically say the first thing that you need to do is write down all the problems and pains and challenges that you know about of your niche. Now the second one is basically choose a very painful problem that you can solve for them in this PDF. So you want to really aim this at something that they know about this problem, first of all, and they find it extremely painful, that it's going to motivate them to get this. So it should be aimed at the market. Then finally, if you've decided on the specific solution or specific problem that you want to solve, great, now write a solution. It should not be very long-winded. It should be like a short 5 points. It should be like 5 top tricks for manufacturing companies doing less than 10 million to save money on taxes. Or, our lead magnet is 5 simple and easy ways to get more accounting clients. Or you could do like 5 secrets of let's say app developing companies to be more profitable, or to do better job costing, or anything along those lines. Just a short document that they're going to see, great, this is something I should probably go and see what all the hype is about this. Maybe I should do this in my business. I know I'm struggling with this right now, so getting something for free that I can quickly read through in the afternoon or just in a few minutes and see, okay, well, this is actually some great advice. Maybe I should start implementing this in my business. That's what you want at the end of the day. So a very, very, let's say, simple and easy to do. You can do this in the afternoon if you have the knowledge for that specific niche. And just remember that what's going to make this appealing is the title. So for us, the 5 simple and easy ways to get more accounting clients. Well, most accountants are searching for new accounting clients. So 5 simple and easy. Well, it really is simple and easy. So at the end of the day, it's a very appealing title. Now, if you just say 5 ways for businesses to improve, that's not very appealing. It's not specifically aimed at your niche. It's not calling out specific problems. Remember, the title should be very appealing because this is what's going to draw them to give their contact details in return for this value. So make it appealing, make it towards the niche, and focused on that specific problem. So basically, you should. Another thing that's just so powerful with a lead magnet is if your niche truly finds this valuable, you don't even just to use this as a way to get the prospects that's interested but not ready to take action. Like this could be something, if it's truly valuable, you can run ads towards this. You can use this in your advertising. You can use this in your messages, your organic messages you're sending out, because if this is something that they truly find valuable, you can utilize this so much more. So we have run multiple successful Facebook ads campaigns for ourselves and for our clients, just specifically towards a lead magnet. Just because if you're giving something of value, it's so appealing to do business with you. It's so appealing to just take that first step, because there's only giving your contact information. That's all. And you can even unsubscribe after that. So everybody knows that, okay, there's so many people that just do a lot of newsletters and all of those sort of things, but that's just spam at the end of the day. If you're currently just sending newsletters to people, you're just spamming them. Like if you have a website and you just like sign up for our newsletter, like why would I willingly go and sign up to spam? Like that's not something. But if you say, well, you're going to get this great PDF that's going to help you in your business for free when you sign up to our newsletters, then I'm more appealed. And I was like, yes, I want to do this. I want to get that value. If you guys want to send me some emails, great, do that. It's fine. But I got something in return. So that's another thing that you should realize. Then If you're running ads towards this, well, great. You can just aim it specifically towards the lead magnet, or you can put it in your organic messages. What I mean about this is, let's say, for example, you're doing some LinkedIn marketing and you need to send direct messages towards LinkedIn or towards the LinkedIn members that accept it, that's in your niche. And usually it's around like giving your marketing message and all of that. Just with that message that we give there, like okay, you give the message and you just give them a welcome gift. Give them a welcome gift of that free PDF. Like not sending them directly the PDF, send them to your website with the lead capture installed. This is extremely important. You need to have a system that automatically gives them the value and takes their contact information. There's nothing worse than sending hundreds of PDFs to people and you never get their contact information to actually contact afterwards. So remember, this should be connected to a lead capture system. Very, very important. And other than that, in that message, just give them a welcome gift. It just builds that trust. It makes that first impression of you so much more valuable, because this person invited me out of the blue. The first thing they did is they gave me value up front. It's so nice. Like I want to see what this business is all about. I want to see what these guys are doing, because that's so nice. It's such a great way to start your business relationship, just by giving some value up front. So all of this is just towards, giving value up front, building that trust, building that credibility. And if you're thinking about the second method that we said, the 10 to 15 minute case study video, this is more for experienced business owners that already have the results. But you just want to go through a logical process there, 10 to 15 minutes, where you showcase your results, showcase how you help people, showcase your proven process. This is not something that's supposed to be extremely difficult. It should be something appealing to your specific niche. So if you're thinking about what we're doing at the moment, just going to see, like we are running our case study at the moment of, how would you like to go from consistently overworked and underpaid to a wildly profitable accounting practice, consistently getting more ideal clients. Now that's extremely appealing title, because we know accountants are very overworked and underpaid, and we know they want to make their accounting practice successful by getting their ideal clients. We know they're not getting the great clients at the moment, not paying the bills, not delivering the deliverables on time and all of those sort of things. You want some more ideal clients. So this is also specifically aimed at the niche, their problems and pains, their current situation, their desired situation. Always keep that in mind when creating any sort of marketing, anything that you want to basically draw attention to yourself. Remember, aim it at the market. So this is basically what I wanted to be talking about today, is create this. Don't miss out on this opportunity because you were too lazy to just take an afternoon and just create a lead magnet. Like, it's going to make all of your marketing so much more effective, and you can really do the PDF in one afternoon. The case study is obviously going to take longer because it's a lot more work, but start off with a PDF. It's so easy to do. Don't miss out on all of those opportunities to follow up with all of your prospects that couldn't make that first step to contact you, or to become a lead and so forth. So I promised you guys in the beginning I was going to talk a little bit more about the 40K in 4 weeks workshop. This is specifically for accountants. This is to launch our new community platform. This is an exclusive platform only for accountants. What we want to achieve with this is we really want to create the perfect conditions for accounting practice growth. We're going to have weekly consultation sessions. We're going to have weekly Q&As. We're going to give you all of the trainings that we currently use to scale up accounting practices with our clients. We're going to give you all of those trainings. We're going to go step by step through everything with you. And the workshop is to see how many accounting practices we can increase the revenue by like 40,000 within 4 weeks. It's going to be a lot of hard work. We're specifically searching for those accountants that don't just want to do the accounting work. We're searching for those accountants that have a passion for advisory, have a passion for consulting as well, because we want to, help businesses grow at the end of the day. That's really something that we want to be doing, and this is how we're going to launch it. We're going to launch it with this workshop. We're going to transition into the community platform and just build it up from there. So I really hope that you guys find it valuable. Check for the link in the description. There's a sign up page that's going to be there. So I really hope to see you guys in that workshop next week. We're going to start it on 1 June at 7 in the evening, that everybody is done working, that we can kick off everything and see and basically lay out the entire structure, what we're going to do, all of those sort of things. So we're so excited to launch this. I hope you guys are excited as well. So other than that, thank you everybody, and I'll see you in our next video tomorrow again. Thanks everybody, enjoy your day.